project recently and I use a particular formula to help me solve a problem that I was having. And so I figured I'd just share it with you guys. As you can see here, I just have, let's say, some personnel data. Well, what I was encountering is that there were times where data was in one column but not the other. And I need to identify the best method of contact for the individual. Let's say that we prioritize email, but if phone number is the only thing that we have, then we'll go ahead and use it. So in this column, I'm basically gonna say, if there is not an email, grab the phone number. If there is an email, then go ahead and input that email address into the contact information column. But if not, go ahead and grab the phone number, okay? So this doesn't really mimic the example that I had, but again, it's just a matter of if there is a hierarchy of the data, but the data exists in multiple columns and you want to identify kind of like an if this, then that scenario, then this formula will actually help you achieve that. So the formula is equals if is blank, and this returns true or false if the cell reference is blank. So we're gonna say is blank, and we're gonna look at column C, and then it's true, meaning that it is actually blank. Then the value if true is gonna be the phone number in column B, and the value if false, meaning that the email address is not blank, and because we are prioritizing the email address, the value if false, meaning that an email address is present, will be that email address. So we're gonna go ahead and reference column C there. Close our parentheses, select return or enter. And as you can see in this scenario, because that email address is blank, it provided me with the phone number. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and drag this down. And now we have a combined listing of phone number versus email address. If you have any questions, or if you use this in any different way and it actually helps you out, make sure that you comment so that you can share that information with others as well. Thank you so much for watching, and just like that, you too can tech.